This video walks you through how to get Xero Advisor Certification. If you are already logged into Xero, begin by opening Xero Central Learning. This is where the certification courses and assessments are managed. Once you are in the learning area, select the Learning tab to move into the training section. From there, click Xero Certifications. This opens the list of available certification paths inside Xero Central. Under the Certification section, select Level 1, Xero Associate Certification. Xero currently requires certification levels to be completed in order, so Level 1 is the starting point before moving on to any higher level. After opening Level 1, choose the route you want to use to complete the certification. Depending on what is available in your account, this may include a self-paced course, a webinar option, or an assessment-only route. Select the option that matches how you want to complete the requirement. If you choose the self-paced option, click Get Started. Then work through each of the required lessons in the course. Move through the learning content until every required section is complete. Make sure all required lessons are marked as finished before you continue, since the assessment follows after the learning content. When the course content is complete, open the certification assessment. This is the part where you submit your answers for review. Read through each question and complete the assessment fully, then submit your answers when you are finished. If you are using the assessment only route, Xero currently requires a score of at least 80%, so make sure you meet that threshold before moving on. Once you successfully complete the required learning or assessment path, Xero awards your certification. After that, go to My Certifications in Xero Central. In that section, you can view your certification status and download your certificate for your records. After level 1 is complete, you can continue through the next certification levels in sequence. The next step is level 2, Xero Professional Certification, followed by level 3, Xero Specialist Certification. Those higher levels become available after you complete the earlier one, so the order matters as you progress through the program. If you are following along on screen, the main flow is to open Xero Central Learning, go into the Learning tab, select Xero Certifications, complete Level 1 using your chosen route, and then return to My Certifications to access the certificate once it has been awarded. Thanks for watching. Your Xero Advisor certification progress is now set up, and your completed certificate can be viewed and downloaded from My Certifications.